Most people get this wrong. They think Prime Pay USA is just another payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending insights to help you manage your money more effectively. Here's how it works. Prime Pay USA allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, sometimes within hours. This can help cover emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards. Certain purchases can also be split into smaller installments, helping you avoid large one-time expenses and stay on budget. The app is easy to navigate, with dashboards to track advances, repayment schedules, and spending patterns. Notifications help you avoid missed payments and fees, keeping your finances under control. The downside: frequent use for missed payments can be costly, so it's best used as a temporary solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances you can repay comfortably. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or repayment issues may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, Prime Pay USA in 2026 is practical, flexible, and helpful, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and tips to keep your finances in control.